Where to find charging in Hertz. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. In the official EV charging article of Hertz, you'll find all these options. You'll find 2 chargers, DC fast charger, 20 to 60 minutes charge to 80% full, and also best if you plan around meals or short activity. And for AC level 2, 4 to 10 hours charge time to 80% full, best if you plan for overnight, workday, or day-long event. And also, if you scroll down in here, you'll find, once you find a nearby charger, you'll find EVgo and EVCS, and you'll find it in the nation's largest public charging stations. And to find charging stations, you can download EVgo in your device, sign up, and you can add Hertz promo code as well and explore where chargers are near you. And when charging, first plug the connector in, tap the app to start a charge, stop your charge at the charger, and after you do this, you're good to go. This is where to find charging in Hertz. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.